It's Heli-Expo 2019, and Airbus is getting ready to show its mission-ready products to the thousands of attendees that are descending on Atlanta this week. Let's take a look at the booth. Our best-selling H145 light twin has some new innovative features that our new CEO Bruno Evin will talk about at our booth opening tomorrow morning. The single-engine H125 in law enforcement configuration was built right here in America, in Columbus, Mississippi. This ACH-145 for private and business aviation is equipped with an elegant Mercedes-Benz interior. This H160 mock-up in an EMS configuration will show firsthand just how much workspace this cabin provides. The dedicated H-Care counters will provide daily demonstrations of our new digital services. And over in our innovation corner, our new high-speed racer mock-up can be explored through the 3D virtual holographic glasses. Airbus will also be conducting flight demos with an H-135 painted in U.S. Navy colors. Airbus is proud to be celebrating its 50th year here in the USA, and we hope that you'll come celebrate it with us here at Heli-Expo 2019.